Hi guys, it's Alyssa from Online Fabric Store. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Pfeiffer-Tex beach bag. This bag is perfect for beach trips because the open weave of the Pfeiffer-Tex allows sand to pass through while keeping your stuff secure. So let's get started.
The materials you will need are 1 yard of Pfeiffer-Tex fabric. I am using a red standard solid, outdoor fabric, a Dritz loop turner, pins or clips, thread, scissors, chalk, a ruler, the template, which can be downloaded for free on our website, an iron and board, and a sewing machine. Print, cut, and tape together the template. Use it to cut out the Pfeiffer-Tex. Also, from the outdoor fabric, cut out two 19 by 5 inch rectangles, two 19 by 8 inch rectangles, and two 35 by 4 inch strips. Fold the long strips in half with right sides facing and clip the edges. Sew up the edge. Flip the strap right side out using a Dritz loop turner. Iron it so the seam is directly in the center and it lays flat. Make sure to use a low heat setting on your iron. Take the long edges of all 4 rectangles and iron them in 1/4 inch to hide the raw edge. You may need to pin this in place. Clip the top edges of the Pfeiffer-Tex in 1/2 inch and sew them down so you hide the raw edge. Clip the two 8 inch rectangles 1/2 inch away from where the Pfeiffer-Tex notch is in to create the bottom of the bag. Do this to both sides. Sew these pieces on by stitching up both long sides of the rectangle. Don't worry about the short edges for now. They'll be sewn on when you construct the bag. Then clip the 5 inch rectangles 1/2 inch away from the top of the Pfeiffer-Tex on both sides. Also, clip each end of the strap 3 inches away from the center of the bag on both sides, in between the Pfeiffer-Tex and the outdoor fabric. Sew these pieces on by stitching up both long sides of the rectangle. Fold the bag so the right sides are facing. Clip up the edges. Make sure that the trim pieces line up with each other. Sew both edges. Fold the bottom corners closed so the seam that you just sewed is in the center and clip it down. Sew this on both sides. Finally, flip the bag right side out.
And now your bag is complete. Thanks for watching this OFS project. Like and subscribe to our channel for more crafting videos, tips, and tricks. See you next time.